Hey guys, welcome back to Chiara DIY. Sometimes life gets in the way, so no fancy intro today. Let's get into the tutorial. So you'll want to grab a sander. Either you can use a power sander or you can use a hand sander. I wouldn't recommend a hand sander because it is a lot of sanding, and a power one just got the job done faster. But you do want to sand this down till it's nice and smooth so that when you go to paint, the lettering and the words are harder to see under the white paint. Once you have the sanding done and it's nice and smooth, go ahead and start adding the paint. You will need a lot of white paint. I did about 4 to 5 coats. I can't remember. I think it was 4 coats before it was perfect. You will need to let it dry and then add another coat. So this may take a few hours. I was able to find SVG for the lettering, and I will link that down below in the description box. And I used my Cricut to print out the SVG and customize it with my address and how I wanted the lettering to go. So you will need a Cricut for this part. If you don't have a Cricut, you can definitely use stickers from the Dollar Tree. It might take a little bit more time, but you can definitely use stickers from the Dollar Tree as well. So continue on placing the decals on the sign, and this is day 8 of 12 days of Christmas crafting featuring Simply Mindy. Please click the link up above to check her channel out and check out the other ladies down below. All of their information is in the description box, and let me know down in the comments what you think about the sign and if you have an old sign that you can turn into a letter to Santa Claus. So this sign was pretty easy and pretty simple to do. The hardest part, honestly, was the painting, and that took a little bit of time and patience, but after the 4 or 5 coats, it was good to go. And sticking on the decals, that's legit the easiest part. So don't forget to subscribe down at the bottom. Click the subscribe button, click the bell so that you're notified each time I upload a video, and make sure you are keeping up with us for the 12 days. We're on day 8, 4 more days left, and I'm super excited to show you what I have. Thanks for watching, and tune in tomorrow.